Alright, so let's talk about the market analysis one. So you are given a user table and order table and items, and then basically you need to write a query to find each user to join the date and the number of the order they made as a buyer in 2019. So you can return the result in any order. So just a little bit. So this is the description, right? So we need to find out the user ID first, right? This is the user ID. So you are going to rename to buyer ID, and then the question is going to say, the question is saying, right, the join in 2018, right? And then they made a purchase in 2019. So as somehow, right, you are going to just check the order date, and when the order date has the 2019, just using the like condition, and then to select, right? And then later on you can just using the group by, and then you have to group by the user ID, because you are going to connect the user ID, the user table user ID into orders table buyer ID, and this will be it, right? And then basically I just keep track of the content, and let's just start coding. Sorry. So select. So I'm going to have two tables, right? Two. Yeah, we don't need the items table, right? So from users, s, right? U. So I'm going to rename to users u, and then I'm going to use the left join, and I'm going to left join the orders. I'm going to say on u dot user ID equal the buyer ID, right? O dot buyer ID, and so the condition is going to be what? It's going to be order date is using a like condition, and then 2019, right? So they made a purchase at 2019. So let's just write about the column name. So column name is going to be what? U dot user ID as, and then I'm going to say buyer ID. And then the join date, right? The join date is going to be what? This one, right? And comma, and this one, the orders in 2019 is going to be what? The count of what? The orders date, right? Count of orders date, and this should be order days, right? And then this is going to be renamed to orders in 2019. And since you are actually grouped by the users, right? So you don't forget group by user ID, and this will be it, right? So let me run it, submit, and you might be wondering like why I'm not using a where condition. So where order date likes 2019, so you'll get an error, right? So as a hint, right, when you left join, right, you can also put another condition using the and when you want to just query the table. So you get the table out when the user ID equal to buyer ID, right? But you also put one condition, say if the order date is in 2019, right? So when you're using a where condition right here, you will actually select this one, but without the 2019 constraint. So you can select the 2018, right? Look at this, 2018. So this is not correct. So you have to put the N over here. Alright, so this question is a little bit tricky, but so far so good, and I will see you next time. Bye.